In this video, we will discuss how to enter a payment journal. The path is Accounting 1, Fast Entry, Payment Journal menu. In this menu, you can enter data when you've paid company expenses in cash or by bank transfer. And you can simply enter a contra account, and then the program will automatically journalize the corresponding payment. And also, you can print out the payment journal that you've entered in voucher printout form or in reports form. To enter a voucher, you can first set the date of the payment and enter the details at the bottom area. Firstly, you can see Withdrawal Account field. In this field, you can enter the means of payment, such as cash, bank account, credit card, debit card, etc. Next, in Account Code field, select an account code for the reason of the corresponding payment. And in Customer Vendor field, enter the vendor that you paid the amount to. And if this transaction is on credit, or if you received or will later receive the receipts for the payment, you need to first register the vendor in Customer Vendor Setup menu, and then load the registered code. However, if this transaction is one-time transaction, and if you will not receive any receipt from the vendor, type in only the name of the vendor. And in Amount field, enter the paid amount. And in Fees field, enter the amount of fees, if any. And in Remarks field, enter the notes for the corresponding payment. And in the extreme right side, if your company manages funds by each department or project, enter the corresponding department or project code. And right now, we will practice entering data for a few cases. So, example 1. How to enter data if you paid purchase credit amount to a vendor from your company bank account. Firstly, in Withdrawal Account field, enter the bank account that the money was withdrawn from. And in Account Code field, enter Accounts Payable account for purchase credit amount. And in Customer Vendor field, enter the vendor that you paid the amount to. Then enter the amount. And if there was no fee, do not enter the Fees field. And in Remarks field, I will enter Notes, Purchase Credit Paid. Next, example 2. How to enter data if you paid snack cost in cash in a supermarket. So, in Withdrawal Account field, enter Cash Account. Then, since the snack is for employees, enter Employee Benefits account. And in Customer Vendor field, since this transaction is a one-time purchase, enter only the name of the supermarket in Customer Vendor Name field. Then enter the amount. And in Remarks field, enter Snacks for Employees. Next, the last example is how to enter data if a team dinner expense has been paid with a corporate credit card. In Withdrawal Account code, enter the corporate credit card that you paid with. And in Account Code field, enter Employee Benefits account for team dinner expenses. And in Customer Vendor field, this time as well, since the restaurant is not a vendor that you regularly trade with, enter only the name of the restaurant. And enter the amount. And enter the remarks. I'll enter team dinner expense. After entering all details, you can save the journal by clicking Save, Save and Print, or Save and Print Journal button. Save and Print button will save the voucher and at the same time display the printed payment journal form. And Save and Print Journal button will save the voucher and at the same time display the payment journal in reports form. So right now I will click Save and Print Journal button. Then you can verify the journal in the pop-up window. And let me explain a few more things that you can use when entering a payment journal. So firstly, after entering multiple rows of data, if you need to delete only one of a few rows in the middle, select only the corresponding row and click Delete Selected button at the top left. And next, if too many rows have been entered in the input screen, and if you want to locate a certain row, use Find F3 button to search for the desired row.